To successfully manage weight, it's vital to understand that everyone's body is unique. Body types, which can be broadly categorized into ectomorphs, mesomorphs, and endomorphs, each respond differently to diet and exercise. Metabolic rate also plays a critical role. This is the rate at which your body burns calories. It varies widely among individuals and can be influenced by factors like age, sex, and muscle mass. Understanding how different foods impact your body specifically can guide you in creating a personalized diet plan. Tailoring your strategy to meet your individual physiological needs heightens your chances of sustainable weight management. Setting realistic goals is fundamental to successful weight management. By setting goals that are achievable, you maintain your motivation and feel a sense of accomplishment, which fuels further effort. To ensure your goals are effective, they should be measurable, allowing you to track your progress and recognize when adjustments are needed. They must also be specific, detailing exactly what you aim to achieve, and time-bound, providing a deadline to work towards. This approach not only enhances focus but also significantly increases the likelihood of reaching your weight management objectives. A balanced diet is essential for effective weight management. Incorporating a variety of foods ensures you receive all necessary nutrients and keeps mealtime interesting, preventing boredom and dietary lapses. Understanding macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates is key, as each plays a distinctive role in bodily functions and energy levels. Dispelling diet myths, like the misconception that fats are universally harmful, is crucial. Fats are necessary for energy and cellular health, yet they must be consumed in appropriate types and amounts. Embracing a balanced diet supports sustained weight management and overall health improvement. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of effective weight management. By mixing different types of workouts, strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises, you create a comprehensive fitness regime that maximizes fat loss and muscle gain. Strength training builds muscle, increasing metabolic rate even when at rest, while cardio exercises burn calories rapidly and improve cardiovascular health. Flexibility exercises, although less intense, enhance muscle recovery and prevent injuries. This varied approach ensures all aspects of fitness are addressed, boosting overall metabolism and making weight management more efficient and sustainable. Tracking progress is pivotal in managing weight effectively. Utilizing tools like fitness apps and journals allows for detailed tracking of daily activities and dietary intake, providing a clear picture of progress and areas needing improvement. It's essential to routinely review these records to assess whether your current weight management strategies are effective. Whenever progress stalls or goals are not being met, it's crucial to adjust your plan. This might involve altering dietary habits, intensifying workouts, or reassessing goal settings. Continuous adjustment based on feedback ensures the weight management plan remains responsive and effective.